Do you have an incredible service or product, but for some reason your sales are too low or margins too tight? Are you launching a new brand or sub-brand to market, rebranding or revitalising your brand, but you're not sure where to start to ensure a profitable return on your investment, growth in market share, and increased sales? Have you already got a well-established brand and you're considering expanding into a new category or market sector, but you haven't got clarity on where your opportunities for innovation and growth lie versus the competition? Would you like your brand to have far greater visibility, credibility, likability, to stand out head and shoulders above your competitors with the pulling power that attracts your ideal customers in droves and converts them into repeat purchases and perfect brand advocates? One of the top reasons businesses fail is because they don't build a strong brand, even though they invest in a good logo, website, and brochures. If you want to increase your sales, you need to invest in your branding strategy, which goes way beyond just design. Your logo, website, and brochures are not your brand because they're merely the visual identifiers or badges associated with your product or service. In fact, branding is not marketing or design, but the bedrock foundation underpinning your whole business. So getting your brand strategy right is critical to your success. You see, your brand is the story, the personality, the vision, purpose, mission, values, and promise it makes to meet your customers' expectations in certain ways. The collection of experiences your customers have every time they engage with your brand through your products, your services, and the people that represent and champion your brand. These are some of the key elements that all collectively make up what a powerful brand is. So if you want to accelerate your brand success and increase your visibility, credibility, lovability, and sales, then the Persona Branding Accelerator Masterclass is the perfect solution for you. Because during this masterclass, we address the fundamentals of what makes up a strong brand using big brand know-how, what branding is and isn't, and how to build a strong brand. We also demystify all the misinformation around branding and give you the facts so you can implement these critical strategies in your business. We focus on brand positioning. Brand positioning is used by all the most successful brands in the world, small and large, because it's one of the most effective ways to become a market and industry leader. In fact, in my experience of working with multiple brands across different sectors, nationally and internationally, over the last 20 plus years, those businesses that didn't have absolute clarity over their brand positioning really struggled badly. At the end of this session, you'll know how to make your brand stand out, carve your place in the market, and write your positioning statement. Brand personality is another key area we focus on during the Branding Accelerator Masterclass too, because the personality of your brand determines the relationship your customer has with your brand. So when that connection is well developed, emotional, it drives referral and repeat purchase, so increasing sales. So we focus on how to build your brand's personality to stand out. And we're not talking about mascot VIPs or celebrities either. We also focus on brand purpose. Why is brand purpose so critical to your success? Because people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. So when you're clear on your brand purpose, it acts as the overall steering mechanism for the business. This section gives you the how and why brands with strong purpose are more successful and more profitable. How to identify your brand purpose, and 5 key factors of a strong brand purpose. And because every brand, small and large, needs regular health checks to ensure peak performance, maintain market relevance, and high visibility so you can increase perceived value, command a premium, and continue to grow and increase sales, we look at brand audits, what they are, what they typically entail, and how to leverage them. And note, we're not talking about a quick check of the numbers either. And finally, because no brand is immune to change, it's merely a matter of what, why, and when, because as sure as night follows day, your brand will need some level of change in its life cycle to remain commercially viable and successful. So we also focus on how to rebrand and refresh your brand successfully. The top 20 rebranding essential success factors, the rebrand refresh process, and 16 reasons for rebranding or a brand refresh, and most importantly, the common mistakes to avoid. And when I talk about rebranding or brand refreshes, we're not talking about a superficial design change or a logo update. These are the foundations for building and leveraging a strong, sustainable brand. Core factors that underpin your business and provides the direction and strategy for how your brand stands out against your competitors, its look, sound in terms of name, logo, website, brochures, and language style, how you create irresistible customer experiences and higher perceived brand value so you can command premium price points, and how you ensure its ongoing relevance and peak performance. So join me at the Persona Branding Accelerator Masterclass to unlock the exact systems and processes used to build standout brands with big brand know-how. The Persona Branding Accelerator Masterclass is perfect for you if you're a business leader, owner, manager, entrepreneur, or consultant. You've already achieved a certain level of growth and you want to build a stronger standout brand. You want to be perceived to be more valuable so you can command a premium. You want to stop selling on low prices or discounting. You want to scale, grow faster, increase your visibility, credibility, and sales. The Persona Branding Accelerator Masterclass is highly relevant regardless of what stage your brand is at in its life cycle, because a brand needs ongoing management and regular appraisals. So whether it's a reevaluation of your strategy, an understated refresh, complete overhaul, or new launch to market, the systems used are invaluable because they enable you to get results fast. The focus is on brand strategy as the bedrock foundation underpinning your business, not design. So this masterclass is all about discovering and leveraging big brand know-how using the Persona Brand Building Blueprint system. The systems used are based on over 20 years of award-winning expertise using big brand know-how, working with national and international household names. The Persona Brand Building Blueprint system is also used on the Economist Group platform, so it's been independently validated. And you can also take a look at what previous participants have to say. At the end of this Branding Accelerator Masterclass, you'll have invaluable systems and processes enabling you to build a much stronger, profitable, more visible, credible, and sustainable standout brand. You'll also get 6 brand building e-workbooks in all the areas covered, amounting to 130 plus pages of invaluable brand building tools, systems, and insights, enabling you to build a much more successful brand and business. Click the link for more details and secure your spot now. I look forward to meeting you.